Friday afternoon, so of course I'm gonna do something. I'm going to walk along the railway trail, the opposite one from the one that I took 2 weeks ago. So if you haven't watched my vlog from 2 weeks ago walking along railway trail, do check out my earlier vlog. And for now, I'm going there. When you come to Bermuda or you live here and you see something like this, it signifies that it's the railway trail. But you can't actually see trucks here. Once upon a time, there were trucks here, but not anymore. I don't know what this tree is, but the flowers are really very beautiful. This trail has a very different look and feel compared to the one that I took 2 weeks ago, because there are so many houses here, so it's like residential. Pink is Bermuda's national color, I claim. Gumamela hedges as fence is very common here in Bermuda. These gumamelas must have been planted like decades ago because they're so tall. This is one of those moments wherein I don't know where I'm going, but I'm sure it's gonna be beautiful out there. Gumamela is the most common plant and flower in Bermuda, but yellow is not too common even here. So it's so lovely to see yellow gumamela. Look at that, papaya trees, which are not too common here. I'm happy to see these because they remind me of home. I passed by a few beautiful homes. This looks like a gated community of rich people. Interesting fact about Bermuda is that homes have white roofs like this one. And there's a reason for that. But it's a very long explanation, so I'll save it for another vlog. Is this a fire tree? If it is, then it's the same tree that we have at Legazpi Park near our office. It's super dark. Should I go in? Of course I will. It has the same eerie feels as the railway trail on the opposite side. This place can be a scene in a horror movie, don't you think? I'm not like super amazed this time because on the opposite side, the railway trail there has a more eerie feels. And it's actually more beautiful, but you know, it's still nice to see what's on this side of the trail. Wandering Jews are really very common here. They're like grass. I don't know if I'm just being paranoid or there are really mosquitoes. But I haven't heard of people here getting dengue or malaria, so I think I'm safe. Where is this headed? Posos! They are everywhere. And guys, I just saw a Monstera deliciosa. Very beautiful leaf. Is it a single leaf? I mean, there must be other leaves. No! Oh, there! Over there! I know pothos grow on trees, climb on trees, but didn't think I would see it for myself until I came here, because here it's super common. If I make a vlog about the most common plants in Bermuda, pothos would be on the list. Not number one though. Guess what number one is? It would still be gumamela or hibiscus. They're just everywhere. As in, every house probably has a hibiscus plant. Others would have hedges. Okay, we're still continuing with our walk. I now see the fence, signifying that I'm exiting the trail. Should I go beyond or not? I haven't really given you an overview or a background of the railway trail because I haven't looked it up. On this side is a private road, meaning I cannot go there. No trespassing. But on this side is the continuation of the railway trail. I pass by that road every day going to work. Didn't know that the railway trail is close by. Now I know. I did not bring my bus card, so I can't take the bus going back. I'll have to walk or pay when I use the bus. Did you ever wonder what the roots of large trees look like? Wonder no more. Here. Wow. Should I continue? Why not? Coconut. Although I'm alone in this trail, I'm not afraid because the main road is just over there. I can hear the cars. Also, the crime rate is super low here in Bermuda. And there are no cases of people being mugged or whatever on the road. Now this looks like something that a train would pass by. Yay, I crossed that tunnel and here I am now. I thought that if I continue to walk on, I would be able to go to a beach, but it doesn't look like it. The beach is on the side where it says no trespassing. So this is basically going into town. I'll give it 5 to 10 more minutes of walking and then I'll go back. I met a dog. The name is Sig something. Sorry, I forgot. I gave it some pets. It was so lovely. I miss my Pit. I have reached the end of the trail over here, but I will continue on because I'm curious as I haven't been on that side of Bermuda yet. The road that I was speaking about that I pass by every day is like over there, way over there, where the bus passes. And I don't think there is a bus that passes by this road. So my curiosity prevailed. I'm going there. Here's a memorial, and I don't know if it means that he's buried here, but most likely he died here. Probably an accident. Actually, I don't know. I shouldn't speculate about that. But it's fairly common here in Bermuda to have memorials like that along the road. Here is more information about the Bermuda Railway Trail National Park. The Bermuda Railway was one of the slowest track construction projects in history. It began in 1926 and by May of 1930, only 3 miles of track had been laid, though most of the trestles and bridges had been completed and rails and sleepers for the remaining 19 miles of track had been laid. It was also one of the most expensive, with the cost of construction and acquisition of rolling stock totaling over £1 million. Actually, today, the railway trail no longer runs. I'm lost. I don't know where I am. This is the main road, but it doesn't look like the main road where buses pass. I stand corrected. It is the main road where buses pass. Now I don't know what happened. Am I so bad at directions that I thought that the main road is on that side? Or maybe I walked under a bridge that I moved on the other side. It's super confusing because when I was walking, coming here, the main road was on that side. And when I got out, the main road is on this side. What happened? I don't know. Maybe I will learn about it when I pass by that tunnel, because under the tunnel I may have, moved, shifted, or whatever. I will walk back now. And while walking back, I will call my pit, and so I will stop vlogging. Anyway, we've seen the railway trail going this side. It's gonna be the same view anyway. Now I know why the direction changed. It's because of this tunnel. So the buses coming from that side, the road is going to this side, and so the direction has changed. This is the road to town, and then this is the continuation of the road. I'm so happy that I now know why the direction has changed. It's because of the tunnel. I met Shamika earlier before I went on my walk to the trail, and she told me that there is this fast food. Actually, I saw her son eating like fast food, and then I asked where they bought it. I thought it was from KFC, and she told me it's Ice Queen. I actually thought Ice Queen is selling ice, but apparently it's fast food. They sell fries, burgers, onion rings, smoothies, drinks, and all that. So I'm excited to get my food. Yeah, I'm next to the one they just served, so I'm gonna get it in a bit. I thought the vlog ends there, the trail. It ends here. I'll show you what I got for $18. So what do you say? Oh yeah. This looks good. So I'm gonna get my cup. I'm gonna get pork, just one, and this. This is where I'm going to put my ketchup. I'm going home for real with my food from Ice Queen, which is actually a fast food. Thank you for watching.